In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a sign-up form for your Shopify B2B store. This is an essential feature for gathering valuable information from your potential business clients. Let's dive right in and make your Shopify store even more effective. First, we're going to start by heading over to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're there, look to your left and click on Online Store. This is where you can manage the look and feel of your store, and it's also where you can install new themes or customize existing ones. Under the Online Store menu, you'll see an option labeled Themes. Click on that to proceed. Now that you're in the theme section, look for the Customize button, which you'll find next to the theme you're currently using. Click this button to open the theme editor. This tool is incredibly powerful and lets you tailor your store's appearance and functionality to suit your business needs. In the theme editor, you'll notice a list of sections that make up your store's layout. Scroll down and click on the Add section button. This is where you can introduce new features to your store, including our sign-up form. Once you click Add section, you'll be presented with several options. For our purposes, you should select either the Contact Form or Custom Liquid option. Both of these will allow you to collect information from your visitors. After selecting your preferred option, it's time to add the necessary fields to your form. These fields are where your potential clients will input their information. Start by adding a field for name, which is essential for personalizing your communications. Next, include an email field, as this is crucial for follow-ups and nurturing leads. Following that, add a company name field so you can identify the businesses reaching out. Don't forget to include a phone field for direct contact if needed, and a business type field which will help you categorize leads based on industry or business sector. This categorization can be particularly useful for targeted marketing campaigns or understanding your audience better. Once you've added all these fields, take a moment to review your form to ensure everything looks right and functions correctly. After you're satisfied, click the Save button in the upper right corner. This will apply all your changes and ensure your new sign-up form is live and ready to capture leads. And there you have it. You've successfully added a sign-up form to your Shopify B2B store. This form will help you gather important information from potential clients and streamline your lead collection process. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips on optimizing your Shopify store. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content. Happy selling!